Insightful tips for profitable affiliate marketing. If you're on the hunt for a profitable business opportunity, you might just be interested in affiliate marketing. It's simple enough to understand, but you would be surprised at just how many people get things wrong when marketing. Pay attention to the information in this video. It just might help choose your next business opportunity. Before joining an affiliate marketing program, test out the product or service that you'll be promoting. Having used the product before talking about allows you to give honest and sincere reviews of it. Your readers will be able to tell that your recommendations come from actual use and trust your reviews more than a generic review that doesn't tell them anything. To find the right affiliate marketing company, look for products that sell well. You should look at the statistics of their websites. How many people who visited the website bought something? Browse through the website yourself and see if it presents the products in a way that makes you want to buy. To sell products more easily, look for cheap products. Present the price as an excellent deal and compare it to what customers would have to pay in a store. Separate your task lists so that you do not become confused or bogged down while working as an affiliate. Personal matters can sometimes get in the way of affiliate marketing, especially if you allow them to bleed over into your work. Make sure you're doing your best to keep these two worlds from colliding. Now, no amount of solid information can save your affiliate business on its own. It also takes the right actions by you, the business owner. Just remember that affiliate marketing is a legitimate business, and that you need to approach it as such. Failing to take it seriously and treating it as a gimmick will result in ultimate failure. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.